What's going on, family? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you what 289,000 can get you in Collin County. We're going to be located in the east side of McKinney with amazing McKinney School District. So today, also, I usually have shared with you guys a couple of homes on my page under 300, but this one has to be one of my very favorite ones. This one would keep your monthly payment really good, under 2,400. And personally, I have received a lot of you guys that are like, hey Rigo, I'm tired of renting. The market's not helping me. What solutions? What can we do in my situation? So usually I tell them, hey, let's go out, take a look at some new construction homes. And usually I bring them out to this neighborhood. Right now, just like I said, we're in the east side of McKinney with McKinney School District. And this is gonna be more of a modern, contemporary style of neighborhood. As you see, really nice homes, really nice homes. You have a really nice modern home across from you as well. Take a look at those, really nice. This one's gonna be about 1,500 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage. And as you can see, this one's gonna be a really good starter home for a lot of you guys. This one could put your monthly payment around 2,200 a month or so. The only reason why that is because the builders are offering some amazing low interest rates. And usually, if your interest rate is low, then that means your payment's gonna be low. Right now, the market rate is crazy. It's about 7 to 6%. And as you guys can imagine, that is a lot on the long run. So the builders pretty much, they're offering a lot more to be more competitive and to sell their products. So just like I said, this one would put you around 2,300 or so. So under 2,500. And still be within 25 to 30 minutes from Frisco. I have a lot of you guys that work remote, work hybrid, or just are flexible. Please do your research on McKinney. Really amazing city with really good schools. All right, so take a look at it. It's gonna be the laundry room. That's gonna be your garage. Most builders right now are given washer and dryer. So it all depends on what they have, but these promotions usually change pretty often. But I'll show you guys the garage. But those promotions, washer and dry, they're pretty much like weekly promotions. So if you decide to move forward and they have that promotion, they usually are able to add those as well for you. So we're gonna have a little closet there with some shelves. I like how the 2 bedrooms are way secluded from everything else. So this would be bedroom 1, bathroom 1, and bedroom 2. So you can see, these bedrooms are gonna be about, I'll say 11 by 10, 11 by 11. You're gonna have good sized closets here. But yeah, so this is gonna be good for someone that, has a smaller family and that doesn't need that much space, but wants to save some money on the monthly payment. You can still get a nice home, new construction with warranties. That's the other thing as well. These homes come with warranties, so you would be protected and you're not gonna be spending money or coming out of money for repairs if something was to break or something was to go down, right? So it's gonna be better number 2. I love them. So the closet space, not bad at all. So we pretty much looked at half of the home already. And then we would go back to the entrance and take this hallway. Check it out, beautiful home. You have the pantry and then you have your island. Super nice. The fridge. You would have your open concept, little small table there, and then your living room would be more at the end. So really nice. Let me know what you guys think about this floor plan, about the layout. Tell me if you guys tell me what you think in the comments. I usually read all those comments and reply to you guys. But just like I said, this one, it's in a really nice area of Collin County. Collin County has been growing for so long that it's been catching a lot of people's attention, especially if they're moving from another state. And it's still growing so much. So this is gonna be basically the primary bathroom, 2 sinks on separate sides, the nice shower, the toilet room. This is gonna be the closet. Nice size closet for 1,500 square feet, I'll tell you that. For 1,500 square feet, and we're getting this closet, oh yeah, this is more than enough space. And the only thing that, as well, I wanna make sure that you guys take home. If you're shopping in today's market, I have seen a lot of my clients that tell me, Rigo, you know what, we were getting quoted at 6%. Our payment was so high, we didn't feel comfortable with it. Usually I tell everyone, give me a call, give me a shout. Let me show you guys these options, because most of these, they're not on the MLS. So usually, if you know the builder, then at that point, you usually know about these floor plans. But a lot of these floor plans, they never hit MLS because they get sold right before. Nice covered patio as well. But yeah, so if you wanted to, let's say for instance, for $289,000, your payment for something new could be around $2,200 to $2,300. But if you wanted to look at the same price on the pre-existing market, you would be looking closer to $2,700 a month. So if you were like, hey, I want to move in a little bit closer, maybe to the city, you can always do that, but there's not inventory closer to the city for this price point. That's why we have to take our clients out to the outskirts. But also it makes sense financially, because if it's me, I'm not gonna go pay almost close to $3,000 for an older home that's gonna need some repairs later. So usually that's how I think about it. Most of this, it's pretty much all ready and set for the next owner. Just like I said, really good numbers. If y'all are interested and want to take a tour at these homes, just simply send me a message. My phone number is going to be 214-713-4398. Tell me, Rigo, I watched your YouTube video. I want to go shopping this weekend, and we can definitely bring you guys out this weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be in touch.